Hey YouTube, TCarl Tech here, and today I'm going to be replacing the RAM on this MacBook. This is my brother's MacBook, and he asked me to replace the RAM, so I thought I'd kind of do a demo slash how-to video, since I was doing it anyways. Right now, well, originally I had 1 gig, but I already added 500 megabytes, so I knew what I was doing, so I could make a video on it. And now I'm going to be replacing the remaining, well, there were 2 512 megabyte chips. I replaced one of them with a 1 gig chip, and now I'm going to be replacing the other 512 megabyte chip with another 1 gig chip. So I had 2 gigs of this RAM lying around. It was originally in my family computer. Then we got new RAM, so we still have this RAM, and it is compatible with the MacBook. So here it is. I'm going to be replacing this. So I'm going to be using a 3mm screwdriver. That's the right size. I found it in my dad's tool set. So once I have the computer turned off, I'm going to remove the battery. And then right here, there are 3 screws, there, and there that I need to remove. And then this entire thing pops out, and it reveals the RAM slots. So I'll do that right now. So the screws don't actually come out, they stay in, but they just loosen up, and I found that really convenient, so you don't lose the screws. Okay, so they're all loosened up. And now this entire thing right here just pops out. I'm going to set that aside. Now, here, there's this little metal thing right here that you flip to the side, and then the memory chip comes out. And you want to make sure you put in the new chip in the same orientation as the old one. So I make sure I didn't move it around too much. And I take the new RAM, which I have right here, and I make sure I have it in the same orientation. As you can see, it is. And then I'm gonna insert it. Okay, so hopefully this is a good angle. And now I'm just gonna put in the RAM. Okay. So I pressed pretty hard. And it feels like it's in. It looks like it's in. And now I put this little metal thing back on. I'll zoom out a bit. Put it back in. Making sure the screws match up with the holes, and there's this little metal mesh that you want to make sure is in, or else the battery won't fit in properly. So I'm just going to push that in. Alright, now I'm going to reinsert the battery and lock it with this coin. And now the computer is ready to boot, and I'll film that and show you that the RAM has been upgraded from 1.5 terabytes to 2 terabytes. Alright, so the computer successfully booted. The reason I didn't film it is because I had to have my brother put in his password. But now if I go to About This Mac, you will see that it says 2 gigabytes, 667 megahertz RAM. So yeah, that was just a quick demo and reference slash how-to video on installing RAM on this MacBook. I'll have a link to get the RAM in the description. It's compatible with pretty much any Mac. So yeah, like, favorite, comment, be sure to subscribe. Peace.